Kigeranio cia KCSE ni ciambiririe kiroko kia UMUTHI. MIHANG'O iri hurirwo cabi ni Minister wa Githomo JULIUS OGAMBA uria hingurire container ya igeranio kaunti-ini ya KWALE. Riri maabitha angi ministry-ini ya Githomo matinda makihungura kaunti-ini ngurani. Ministry ya Githomo ikoretwo ikimurikana kinyi igeranio cia KCSE kurumirira ciiko cia IGERIA ria gukungia WARA. Murugamiriri munene wa kanju ya igeranio bururi-ini Dagitari David Jegere akiuga uhuthiri wa thimu niguo nditi iria nene, indi kanju ino ni gathikite mawatho maria mabatie kurumirirwo thiini wa ceceni ciothe cia igeranio.
Anybody who is working in the school compound, whether it is a cook or a secretary or a grounds person or security, everyone must surrender their phones to the supervisor, who is going to secure the phones in a locker.
Mugaru na igeranio cia KCSE na KCSE iria itarari na urugamiriri wa maabitha a UGITHERI, thirikari ni heanite maabitha a UGITHERI a kuigana hari o ceceni ya kigeranio. Maabitha aria mahetwo mawatho na mitaratara ngurani ya kurumirira hindi ya urugamiriri wa igeranio ici.
As the exam materials are being ferried into the school and the gates are opened for the vehicles to enter, the gates remain open until when the materials are taken away back to the container.
Kurumirira mbura nene iria koretwo igithie na mbere na gucungiriria muiyuro na matuika ma tiri kaunti-ini ya Elgeyo Marakwet, igeranio ciumagaririo na ndege niguo gutigirira MIHANG'O ino ndina cerithirio.
I single out Elgeyo Marakwet, which we had an incident last weekend. We have also made arrangements. Unfortunately, we lost 14 students in the incident. It's really unfortunate. And we have made logistical arrangements also, including working very closely with our security agencies to ensure that all the students have been safely evacuated and all the students can be able to sit for their examinations without interruption.
Ministry ya Githomo nirutite mukana kuri maabitha othe aria mararugamirira igeranio ici, ikiuga aria megukuruhanio na ciiko o ciothe cia uhenania matigukorwo na munyaka.
The saddest thing to me is when I get a call that one of the people involved in the malpractice is either somebody from the ministry or a principal or a teacher, because now these are my people. When you are told now they are involved, then you have to say arrest them.
Igeranio cia KCSE ciambiririe riri nacio igeranio cia KCSE itirihirwo UMUTHI. MIHANG'O ya kumaki gitanyo kwambiriria na ihenya o ta uria kwahoteka niguo kuhotithia aciari kugia na ihinda ria kwihariria kuingiria arutwo thiini wa senior school mwaka ukite.
We have made all arrangements and marking begins immediately. And we are expecting the results to be released on the 11th of December for KCSE, so that we have adequate time to plan for transition to senior schools.
Ihinda-ini o riu aciari ni moritio matikage na wagagu ukonie marihi ma senior school, kuona matigukorwo na utiganu munene na marihi maria aciari makoretwo makiriha thiini wa thukuru cia secondary.
I want to assure the parents that there are adjustments in the school fees based on the pathways, but overall there is very marginal difference between the fee for secondary school and senior school.
Handũ-inĩ ha Kameme TV, njĩtagwo Ngina wa Wandĩrũ.